Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Limay and today we are going to delve into the inside story of the FMCG sector's growth in rural parts of India. According to the latest reports, the FMCG sector has experienced the remarkable growth in rural areas, outpacing urban areas in terms of consumption and market expansion. So what has contributed to this significant growth in rural India? Let's explore. The first reason is the changing consumer preferences. With rising incomes, improved infrastructure and increased exposure to the media and advertising, rural consumers are becoming more aspirational. They seek quality products and the brands that offer value for money. The second reason is the tailored product offerings. FMCG companies have recognized the unique needs and the preferences of rural consumers and have tailored their products according to their needs. They offer smaller pack sizes, affordable pricing, and products that cater to the local taste and the preferences. The third reason is the distribution network. FMCG companies have invested in expanding their distribution networks in rural areas, reaching even the most remote villages. They leverage innovative distribution models such as rural supply chains and direct-to-consumer initiatives to ensure last-mile connectivity. And the fourth reason is the marketing and the branding. Effective marketing and branding strategies plays a crucial role in FMCG's success in rural areas. Companies use a mix of traditional and digital channels to create awareness, engage with consumers and build brand loyalty. So let's take a look at some FMCG companies that have done exceptionally well in rural India. The first in the list is Hindustan Unilever Limited. HUL has been at the forefront of rural marketing with its Shakti Amma initiative, empowering rural women to become entrepreneurs and distributing products directly to the villages. The second in the list is Patanjali Ayurveda. Patanjali's focus on natural and Ayurvedic products resonates well with the rural consumers. They have leveraged their extensive distribution network and aggressive marketing campaigns to penetrate rural markets effectively. The third in the list is the ITC Limited. ITC's eChopal initiative have revolutionized rural sourcing and distribution. By empowering farmers with access to information and markets, ITC has strengthened its supply chain and expanded its reach in rural areas. So in conclusion, the FMCG sector's growth in rural India can be attributed to changing consumer preferences, tailored product offerings, robust distribution networks, and effective marketing strategies. Companies that understand the nuances of rural markets and innovate accordingly are poised for success in this burgeoning segment. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this inside story of the FMCG sector's growth in rural area insightful. If you have any query or questions or would like to learn more about how your business can tap into rural market, feel free to reach out. Until next time, stay inspired and keep innovating. Thank you.